Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mir Ali, your president, would like to share some information why health research is important in our world. Health research is a term which done to know more about human health. It's also a way that helps us to prevent and develop more findings about diseases. The development of medical treatments and research could not have happened without health research. Without research, many people could die very easily from terrible diseases. Thanks to the advances in medical care and public health, we now live on average 10 years longer than in the 1960s and 20 years longer than in the 1930s. New knowledge that is gained from health research is in the form of new drugs, vaccines, and surgeries. From health research we can develop studies, such as creating new drugs, vaccines, procedures, or new medical devices. It benefits in developing countries, such as India. Health research not only helps us in the healthcare field, but it helps us in social, economic, political, legal, agricultural and environmental factors. Finally, a perfect example is when your family doctor prescribes you a medicine for a flu. They are not just taking a wild guess at what medication might work for you. They are using hundreds of years' worth of research in order to get you better. The only way we can keep up with medications is to have constant research into drugs to find new med. That is why illnesses that we have been suffering with for hundreds of years, such as influenza, are still being researched today. Thanks for listening to my topic. Peace outtt.